Hi everyone, and today I'm going to start this video with a very positive note, and that would be yes, if you have stubborn acne and very bad acne, I can promise you one thing, that your acne is going to be healed. Yes, I can promise you that. So many of you have requested me to talk about acne and about the remedies, and yes, I'm going to talk about that, and I'm going to talk about the things that people don't generally talk about, but they should be talking about those things. So yeah, start करते हैं वीडियो को. So the first thing that I'm gonna talk about is you might not know, but कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि your body is deficient on certain vitamins and minerals. So my recommendation for you would be to visit a doctor first and then do some tests, and ताकि आपको पता चल जाए कि आपकी बॉडी के अंदर क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है, और अगर आपकी बॉडी के अंदर certain vitamins और minerals की कमी है तो you will get to know about that. Why I'm saying this is because I also had problems and I was very low in vitamin B12, and which was one of the root causes behind my acne. तो आप पहले अपने डॉक्टर के पास जाइए, डू सम टेस्ट, एंड जब टेस्ट के रिजल्ट्स आ जाएंगे उसके ऊपर आपको जो डॉक्टर मेडिकेशन देंगे, बाद जब डॉक्टर विल प्रिस्क्राइब यू some medications or supplements, you can take that, but my recommendation would be do not take any kind of supplements and or medication by just going through several YouTube videos, or anyone with good skin has recommended you that. Do not do that. This is very harmful. Okay, you cannot take that. So when I was very low on vitamin B12, my doctor suggested me one particular syrup. It is not a kind of a supplement. I don't take supplements, but it is a kind of a syrup, and it is basically an enzyme syrup with B complex. So yeah, it worked pretty good for me. It helped to boost my immunity and digestive system a lot. The second tip is going to be about diet. So आपको शायद पता ही होगा कि sugar और dairy are the most important two things that can trigger our acne. Now see, everyone has different body and our skin also differs, पर शुगर से ऑलमोस्ट सबको ही प्रॉब्लम होता है, सबकी स्किन पे ही, अगर इफ़ योर स्किन इज़ एक्ने प्रोन. डेयरी से सबको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. इफ़ यू आर लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट तो आपको प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, एंड इफ़ यू आर फाइन विथ टेकिंग द डेयरी, आपकी बॉडी में अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता डेयरी के प्रोडक्ट्स लेने से, तो आपको उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. बट व्हाट द पीपल आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट इज़ अबाउट द सॉल्ट. Now by salt what I meant is that iodine can trigger your acne, your breakouts very bad. Okay, so and try to avoid iodine in your foods, iodine rich foods and salts. Try to avoid iodine basically, because if you are taking higher level of iodine in your diet, that can probably cause your acne. And also why I'm saying to do a test on vitamins, because if you are taking multivitamins, उसमें आयोडीन का जो है लेवल कभी कभी हो सकता है ज़्यादा हो. तो अगर आप मल्टीविटामिन ले रहे हो तो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है नहीं, लेकिन अगर आप वो टेस्ट करवा लेते हो तो यू विल बी टेकिंग ओनली दोज ऑन विच यू आर डेफिशिएंट. दैट विल बी वेरी गुड फॉर यू, other than taking multivitamins which will contain iodine and things like that, which can cause you a breakout. Have I made myself clear? Other than that, the simple tips would be like eating healthy, eat fresh vegetables, take like less sugar, refined carbs. Do not take refined carbs, do not eat sugar much, and avoid packaged food, such kind of things. I think you guys already know all this. So now I'm going to talk about skincare. See, my skin is not perfect, but it is now acne free, and I use very simple routine. very simple routine. I use a normal, very mild cleanser, a normal moisturizer, and a very normal sunscreen. That's all. And I don't use toner. I'm searching for a good toner, but I don't use toner. I use normal green tea water, I mean chilled one. But I don't recommend you that one because I am not sure whether it is going to be suitable for your skin or not, but it really suits my skin pretty well. So I use that as a toner, and then I use normal Cetaphil moisturizer. So what I am saying is that try to keep your skin care regime very simple. That's my way of doing skincare, to be honest, because if you have acne prone skin, you tend to have really sensitive skin, right? And if you apply too much things which are sometimes actually we don't need, which sometimes generally which sometimes we don't need, but we apply because people are saying that these things are going to be good for your skin. So I believe that if your skincare is simple but effective, then your skin will be good, and it will stay good for a longer period. Now I'm going to wrap up all of the things that I have said. So the first thing would be, if you are deficient on any kind of vitamins and minerals, go to the doctor, make a test, and then take supplements or medicines accordingly as prescribed by your doctor. The second thing I said is that try to take less iodine, because that can cause your acne, and try to eat healthy, try to eat less sugar, refined carbs, just delete it from your diet, and do not take packaged food, this kind of things. And the third thing I said that try to use very mild things on your face, because when your skin is acne prone, your skin is already very sensitive. So do not try to irritate it, and use very mild products that will be effective for your skin, but that will not be harsh on your skin. And the most important thing that I forgot to mention is that do not use physical exfoliators. Just don't use that. Especially one of the most hyped exfoliators in Indian market is the walnut scrub. That is a disaster. Do not ever use that on your face. It's not good for your skin. It can really be harmful for your skin. Just don't use that. I will be reviewing some chemical exfoliators very soon. I have ordered some, but I haven't got any because of this lockdown. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you find it helpful, and I will be talking about hormones and diet in another video, and I will be talking about that in details. So yeah, till then, stay healthy, stay happy, and just do not take stress, because if you do such kind of things, and if you lead a very healthy lifestyle and just make some changes in your diet and everything, your skin will be happy and healthy. Yes, I can promise you that. Yes, so don't worry and stay happy. Bye. And yes, next video में मिलती हूँ. Bye.